In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect your ROG Xbox Ally X to any TV screen. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do start, you are going to obviously need your Xbox Ally X. You're going to need the stand that comes with it. It's optional, but it is recommended. A USB-C hub, as well as an adapter with an HDMI port, an HDMI cable, and of course a TV with an available HDMI input. You can grab like a USB-C hub for around $30. Just make sure it includes an HDMI port. And of course, you can get that on Amazon. But essentially, take your USB-C adapter and plug it into the left USB-C port on the top of your Xbox Ally X. There's going to be two USB-C ports. Make sure you use the leftmost one. And then from here, plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the adapter and plug the other end into your TV. If you're using a TV box or an AV receiver, plug it into that. Just make sure it connects to your TV. And then finally, turn on that TV. Open up your TV's input and source menu and just make sure that you select the HDMI port that you just connected to. Once selected, your Xbox Ally X screen should instantly appear on the TV like it's currently on my monitor right now. Now, to get the best experience on a bigger screen, switch to turbo mode. You can do this by opening up the command center and enable turbo operating mode. This will give you better performance when docked. And also, I would recommend going into your settings and changing your resolution to either 900p or 1080p for better TV quality, but 720p if you want maximum performance. And if you're docked to a TV as well, I'd highly recommend connecting like a Bluetooth controller. I'm also using a Bluetooth controller right now as well. But as soon as you do that, you will be good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.